the view out my studio window. How do you like it? Those are my neighbors. And also, this is the first video at home, so like and subscribe. Do you like the LED light colors? This is for you, Abby. And for all those new subscribers. I love Stranger Things. That's my new logo that's coming out soon. It's my work desk. It's a bit messy right now. This is basically a good room, studio room. Sorry that is that messy. But right now when I'm filming it is 3:13. That thing. Like and subscribe, and also follow us on TikTok, and also this is on AW Horse Run Plus. So first video on there. So I will see you all in the next video.